Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites, an admin account and a backup of any critical files. Open Settings, go to System Storage, and look at the free space percentage so you know your baseline. Once done, turn on Storage Sense and set it to remove temp files and empty the recycle bin after 30 days. This automates routine cleanup. Make sure to inspect storage categories and tap Show More Categories to spot the biggest folders that need attention next. You now tackle the middle steps. Find and remove the heavy items. Open Storage and select large files to list items over 100 MB. Decide to delete or move them to an external drive or cloud storage. Next, go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and sort by size, then uninstall programs you no longer use. While removing, consider relocating photos, videos, and games to an external HDD or OneDrive to free tens of gigabytes. Finish by performing system-level cleans and a quick compaction. Run disk cleanup, click Clean Up System Files, and remove previous Windows installations and update caches. This often reclaims large space. If you have limited SSD capacity, use DISM to analyze and clean up the WinSXS folder or enable Compact OS to compress system files. If you still see low space, make sure the recycle bin is emptied and that OneDrive Files on Demand is configured to keep files online.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.